I only spent $24 to make this beautiful charcuterie board, and it feeds around 8 people, so let's go to Trader Joe's and I'll show you how to make it.
Day. Gouda, you want to try that?
First, we're going to prep all of our cheese. So we have this Toscano in Syrah, which is a wine-soaked cheese. I like to serve this in a rustic crumble kind of look, so I'm just going to cut this into slices and then crumble it up with my hands. Next, we have one of my favorite soft cheeses from Trader Joe's that is such a great value, which is this fine herbs goat cheese. Another favorite from Trader Joe's of mine, which is this prosciutto. I peel it off the paper, fold it in half the long way, and fold it up into these little beautiful ribbons. We'll get all of that down in 2 different sections before going in with this applewood smoked salami. This has such a subtle little sweet flavor. It's so good. We'll add 2 rivers of these, and then we'll add a pop of color with these dried oranges. These are so beautiful on boards. And after those are all placed on the edges, I'm going to go in with some fresh strawberries. I just cut those in half and then added those all throughout the board. Needed a little pop of sweetness, so I added these mini dark chocolate pretzels. They are so cute and so delicious. Added some crackers, and there you have it.